Like the invitation is to make the decision, commit to that, and to start creating what comes next. But here's the thing. When we say no to something, we're saying yes to something else, but that involves a lot of unknown.
Let me show you a concrete example with Ada. So Ada, of course, is our proof of concept personal AI assistant. And let me just go ahead and kick off this workflow so I can show you exactly how useful the two-way prompt can be. Ada, let's create some example code.
Dan, I don't see a URL on your clipboard. Please paste one into your editor.
Okay, so right away, my assistant found that there wasn't a URL to create example code from. And that's what this workflow is going to do for us. This agentic workflow is going to create example code based on a URL that we give it. So it's going to scrape it and create a nice single file where we can run code based on the documentation. So my personal AI assistant is actually prompting me for information. So let me go ahead and open up this blog. This is Simon Wilson's blog. He's a prolific engineer. What I'm trying to do here is use this as our prompt value. So I'm going to go ahead and just paste this in. This is going to be the example code that we want to look at. So I'm going to save that file, close, and let our assistant look at that.
Dan, I found the URL. I'll scrape it and whip up some example code.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Brace yourselves, right? AARP's Age Tech Collaborative at CES 2024. Age Tech Collaborative is AARP's Startup Accelerator program.
The first aid policy of the organization is designed to ensure the availability and accessibility of first aid kits and trained personnel. First aid kits are available in specified locations, including vehicles. A checklist of the contents is located in a designated location, such as inside each first aid box. If an item is removed or used from the kit, staff must ensure they write down what has been taken. The kit is checked and restocked regularly within a specified time frame. The organization has a designated first aid officer, whose position title or name is specified. Additionally, disposable gloves must be worn when rendering first aid.
Tell me about your smoking policy.
The retrieved document mentions that the organization has a no smoking policy.